name is Merrick Mara.
I'm Party Guy. I'm Dorsey Boy.
I'm Robert Reitenbach.
I'm Alan Kaeg.
My name is Rosa Chang.
I'm Jasper Tomas.
Renan Mara.
Alan Guzman.
Larry Santos.
I'm Dimian Visconti.
Hi, I'm Rice Room, Gamones, and then I'm
Alan Joseph. Hi, I'm McCoy.
Customize my desktop, but Windows XP won't allow me to do that. I happened to discover Ubuntu, which let me totally modify the software.
Pwede mo siyang baguhin based sa needs or ng company pinagtatrabaho.
these developers express that urge to share.
Community itself, you have a different feeling when you're a part of this community.
If there are 100 people in the world, and each of those people knew something but they did not share it to all the others, everybody in the world would know only one thing. But if everybody in the world shared what they knew with everybody else, then everybody would know 100 things.
Mga magagandang bagay dahil sa collaboration, dahil sa pagbibigay ng effort, pagbibigay or pagko-contribute ng iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang galing.
Establish their own call center business. There's a very stable and very robust platform that's based on open source that can carry your business around.
You're thinking of the greater good of man, thinking of the greater good of the community and the people around you.
Download free software, try it out, try to modify it, and then share it with your friends.
Be a team player, collaborate, participate. Be in the community ng open source. The students, well, play around with it. There's so much to learn with open source. Windows is not the only world, or it's not the only software operating system that's out there.
Let's give open source a chance. Mabuhay ang open source software. Mabuhay ang software.
My final message is let's give back to the community. We have an obligation to give back to the community because they provided a lot to us.
Kayo bilang estudyante or bilang mga kapwa namin mga practitioner, hanggat hindi nyo pinupuntahan ang mundo na yun, hanggat hindi nyo siya ginagamit, hanggat hindi nyo binibigay yung oras niyo sa mga ganong klaseng bagay, hindi nyo siya matututunan. Kumbaga, hindi naman yan nalapit sa inyo eh. Kumbaga, nilatag yan, nandyan na yan, para kayo mismo pumunta dyan at pagaling kayo ng sarili nyo at tumulong sa komunidad.